Hengli's 5-axis CNC working centers are used for processing kitchen and bathroom countertops. A range of complex processing operations can be achieved by Hengli's 5-axis CNC working centers, including cutting, milling, and drilling. The system is easy to operate. The operator does not need to draw a diagram, but simply selects the desired drawing from the system and enters the required machining dimensions.
California coastline, midday Texas sun, misty rain in Smoky Mountain, out here on the run. Lights of New York City, streets of Boston town, Golden Gate in San Francisco, Seattle's Puget Sound. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. Arizona desert, Colorado